Seeing the problems on the quantifiers. So write the negation of the following. Write the negation of the following statements. Write the negation of the following statements. The first one is if k, m, n. If k, m and n are any integers, k, m, n are any integers, k, m, n are any integers where k minus m and k minus m and k minus m and m minus n are odd, then k minus m and m minus are odd, then k minus m is even. Then k minus m is even. So first we have to be construct the given statement in symbolically. So the given statement will be written in symbolically. For all k comma m comma n which is belongs to z, p of x and q of x, p of x and q of x, k minus n is even. For all k m n belongs to z, p of x and q of x belongs to r of x, where p of x represents k minus m is odd, q of x represents m minus n is odd, and then r of x represents k minus n is even. K minus m is odd, m minus n is odd, and k minus n is even. So here we have to be find the negation of this statement. Negation of for all k m n belongs to z, p of x and q of x belongs to r of x, Find the negation of the statement. Negation of for all implies there exist k, m, n belongs to z. Negation of p of x and q of x implies r of x. Negation of p of x and q of x implies r of x. So find out the, simplify here, k, m, n belongs to z. Negation of p implies r. Negation of p implies r. We just have to apply the property here. Negation of p implies q is equivalent to p and negation of q. I am just going to apply this here. Negation of p implies r. Consider entirely this one as a p. That becomes p of x and q of x and negation of r of x. P of x and q of x and negation of r of x. Now I am going to write this statement in words. So in words it becomes, negation of the statement in words becomes, there exists integers, there exist an integers k, m, n such that k minus m, m minus n and m minus n are odd. M minus n are odd. K minus m and m minus n are odd, and k minus n is not a even. Negation of r, and negation of r means R is k minus n is even. Negation of R means k minus n is not a even. First we constructed the statement in a symbolically. For construct the symbolically, we consider a k minus m is even as a p, m minus n is odd as a q, k minus n is even as a r. And then we have constructed it in the form, for all kmn belongs to integer n, p of x and q of x belongs to r of x. Means if and then. If then. That means we take an implies where k minus m and m minus n, p of x and q of x implies k minus n. So that we have written here. So negation of for all kmn belongs to z, p of x and q of x implies r of x. So negation of for all is there exists a kmn belongs to z. Negation of, consider this entire term as a p, implies r. Negation of p implies r is p and negation of r. Now I am constructing this symbolical statement into a words. There exist integers kmn such that p of x means k minus m, q of x m minus n are odd, and negation of r of x and k minus n is not a even. Now move to the second one. I am taking the second one. For all real numbers, if mod x minus 3 is less than 7, then x greater than minus 4 less than 10. For all real numbers x, if mod x minus 3 is less than 7, then x greater than minus 4 less than 10. So first I write this given statement in symbolically. For all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R, p of x implies q of x, where p of x represent mod x minus 3 is less than 7. Q of x represents x greater than minus 4 less than 10. That can also be written x belongs to the open interval minus 4 comma 10. This can also be write this form. So now we are going to take a negation of this statement. Negation of for all x belongs to R, comma, p of x implies q of x. Negation of for all is there exists an x belongs to R. Negation of p of x implies q of x is there exists a x belongs to R. Negation of p implies q is p of x and negation of q of x. Now I am going to write the statement in words. In words it can be written as there exists a for some real number. For some real number. For some real numbers. For some real numbers. Mod x minus 3 is less than 7 and mod x minus 3 is less than 7. And negation of q is, if x is belongs to minus 4 comma 10, then negation of q is x not belongs to minus 4 comma 10. That is the symbolical, that is the statement, negation of the statement. So next move to the third one. Third one. If x is a real number, if x is a real number, where x square greater than 16, then x is less than minus 4, or x is greater than 4. I will write the given statement. For all x belongs to R, p of x implies q of x or r of x. q of x or r of x. Here the negation of the statement becomes, here we have considered p of x is x square greater than 16. Q of x implies, q of x means x is less than minus 4. R of x is x greater than 4. If x square greater p of x implies, then x less than minus 4 or x greater than 4. Means we construct the given statement in symbolically. Now find out the negation of the statement. Negation of for all x belongs to R is, there exists a x belongs to R. P implies Q. Negation of P implies Q is P and negation of Q. Now the negation of Q or R of x is, negation of Q or R of x is P of x and negation of Q of x and negation of R of x. Therefore, negation of the given statement is, there exists a x belongs to R, P of x and negation of Q of x and negation of R of x. If we write it in symbolically, if we write a symbolical statement in 2 words, then it becomes, for some real numbers, for some real numbers, x square greater than 16, x, if negation of q, our q is x less than minus 4, negation of q is x greater than or equal to minus 4, and negation of r of x, our r of x is x greater than 4, negation of x greater than 4 is x less than or equal to 4. That is the negation of the statement in words. If x is a real number where x square greater than 16, then x less than minus 4 or x greater than 4. We write this in symbolically. For all x belongs to R, P of x implies Q of x or R of x. Negation of P of x implies this term is P of x and negation of this term. Negation of Q of x or R of x is negation of Q of x and negation of R of x. So we write this statement in words. There exists x belongs to R means for some real number x, P of x, x square greater than 16, negation of Q, x greater than or equal to minus 4, and negation of R of x, x less than or equal to 4.